गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा भावकाशिनी तया नस्तनुभाषन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरिददां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा ध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐगुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उद बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिदासहस्रशो वैशागुं एदईमहे असो यावसर्वदिनीरग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो बभा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजदेशुरे ऋषिरशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुम् उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वदस्तमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिदे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निदेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनानेदिजां जपदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां पदये नमो नमो बभ्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां पदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चैकोशाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुवाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्थायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचराय अरण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगागुंदद्भ्यो मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्यश्च वो नमो नमो यद्यो विद्यद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यश्च शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्यो जागृद्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्यो दावद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः। नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। व्रादेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। महद्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। रतिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। रथेभ्यो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः शङ्खहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो धन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः प्रभ्यश्वपदिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो मीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विभ्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च वगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे च वेचायुरिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्दाय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे जहनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमः ईद्याय च गुल्याय च नमः वार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रदरनाय चोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः चष्म्याय च विन्याय च नमः श्रीगद्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किगुंजिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च पन्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च ब्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभिर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्रशिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कपर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिक् शयद्वीराय नमसा विधीमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुराय जे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानो बलिः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्धरीरिषः मानस्तोकेदनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्धवामिदो बलिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधीमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयराजनः शर्म यच्छत् विबर्हाः स्तुहिश्वतं दत्त सदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टम शिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुगाग्रिदि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये वृद्धा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवादि नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्मिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु विवदो जनान् ये वदाम्बदिलक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि व्रजरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तस्य भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्धाभिदस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदीचे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयं विष्मो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितं भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं बाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्तवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाव्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिवा विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः संयमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे मृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
साईश चरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
साईश चरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
साईश चरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
स्मरणं
स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
शरणं साईश शरणं
शरणं साईश चरणं
शरणं
शरणं साईश चरणं
माता स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
साईश चरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं राधा स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं शरणं शरणं साईश चरणं शरणं शरणं साईश चरणं प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणम्
भगत वचन तेरुना ओ साई 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 दुख भंजन तेरुना ओ साई भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा
बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा
बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा
बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा
सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा
सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा
सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा
हर 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 शिव शंभो नटन शेखरा
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 प्रतिवास साई देव साई शंकरा
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 साई शंकरा सत्य 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 साई शंकरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा
बालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा
सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा
हर 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 शिव शंभो नटन शेखरा
हर 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 शिव शंभो नटन शेखरा
प्रतिवास साई देव साई शंकरा
प्रतिवास साई देव साई शंकरा
साई शंकरा सत्य 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 साई शंकरा
भस्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा
बोलो जय जयकार बोलो जय जयकार
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 बोलो जय जयकार साई बाबा की
बोलो जय जयकार साईं बाबा की
बोलो जय जयकार साई बाबा की
बोलो जय जयकार साईं बाबा की
पतित पावना हे घनश्यामा
पतित पावना हे घनश्यामा
साई गोपाला हे घनश्यामा
साईं गोपाला हे घनश्यामा
प्रेम भगवान साई भगवान
प्रेम भगवान साईं भगवान
प्रेम भगवान साई भगवान
प्रेम भगवान साईं भगवान
साई राम साई राम
साईं राम साईं राम
साई राम साई राम
साईं राम
पतित पावना हे घनश्यामा साई गोपाला हे घनश्यामा भगवान साई भगवान साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई बोलो जी का बोलो जी का
मुरुगा 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 शक्तिवेल मुरुगा you are my shining star Kartikeya muruga Varivela muruga come to me lord muruga
Kartigeya Muruga, Varivela Muruga, come to me Lord Muruga. Muruga, Muruga, Shaktivel Muruga, you are my shining star. Kartigeya Muruga, Varivela Muruga, come to me Lord Muruga. Muruga, 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 Muruga. When I need you, Muruga, you are there, Muruga, to take all my troubles away. You're my Swami Muruga, giving life Muruga. Baba Vari Velava. When I need you, Muruga, you are there, Muruga, to take all my troubles away. You're my Swami Muruga, giving life Muruga. Baba Vari Velava. Muruga, 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 Shaktivel Muruga, you are my shining star. Kartigeya Muruga, Varivela Muruga, come to me Lord Muruga.
Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Shanmuganatha, Subramanyam. Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Shanmuganatha, Subramanyam. Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Shanmuganatha, Subramanyam. Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Shanmuganatha, Subramanyam. Shiva, 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 Subramanyam, Hara, 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 Subramanyam. Om Shiva, 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 Subramanyam, Hara, 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 Subramanyam. Shiva, Shiva, Hara, Hara, Subramanyam, Hara, Hara, Shiva, Shiva, Subramanyam. Shiva, Shiva, Hara, Hara, Subramanyam, Hara, Hara, Shiva, Shiva, Subramanyam. Shiva Saravana Bhava Subramanyam, Guru Saravana Bhava Subramanyam. Jai Shiva Saravana Bhava Subramanyam, Guru Saravana Bhava Subramanyam. Om Shiva Saravana Bhava Subramanyam, Guru Saravana Bhava Subramanyam. Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam, Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam. Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam, Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam. Subramanyam, 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 Subramanyam. Jai Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Subramanyam. Om Subramanyam, 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 Subramanyam.
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विना नायक सविता पावक तू, सविता पावक तू। ब्रह्ममज तू यहोवा शक्ति तू, येशु पिता प्रभु तू। रुद्र विष्णु तू राम कृष्ण तू, रहीमताओ तू, रहीमताओ तू। वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तू, चिदानंद हरि तू। अद्वितीय तू अकाल निर्भय, आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू। असतो मा सद्गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया। मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। शांति शांति शांति।
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our Divine Master, and Om Sai Ram to one and all. Welcome to this morning's bhajans. Swami says, don't ever think that you and God are separate. Think always, God is with me, He is inside me, He is around me. All there is God. I myself am God. I am the infinite, the eternal. I am not two, I am one, only one. There is no one else besides me. I and God are one and the same. To realize this unity, the first step is to develop self-confidence. It comes when you realize that God is not outside of you. The secret of perfect health lies in keeping the mind always cheerful, never worried, never hurried, never borne down by any fear, thought, or anxiety. Sri Sathya Sai Baba. The infographic for this week is: Baba stood facing the waters and said to those beside him, "See, the ocean is welcoming me with a garland." Satyam Shivam Sundaram, Volume 1. This morning we have Sister Keshni from the Woodhur Sai Center, who will be sharing her 108 gem experience.
Offer my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our most loving and reverential Lord Sai. Om Shri Sai Ram, dearest brothers, sisters, and our Sai blossoms. At the outset, I thank Swami for this wonderful opportunity to share with you, my fellow Sai family. I am Sister Keshni from the Woodhur Sai Center, and my experience is based on number 42 from the 108 names of Sai. Om Shri Sai Loka Seva Parayanaya Namaha, which translates into who is serving and helping all. I am going to share with you a quick timeline in relation to my experience. Early March 2020, just before the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, I was elected as a Seva convener for our center, a post that I really did not desire. However, I was gently coerced into it. At that point, I questioned Swami. Why me? Why me? Why this offer of a post? I can still do Seva as a devotee, can I not? 16th March 2020, I packed up my office desk and began my work from home journey, about 10 days before the country was officially placed on lockdown level 5. April 2020, my first grueling work deliverable from my new home office. I spent the better part of 3 weeks clocking some 12 to 14 hour days to achieve this deadline. Exhausted, almost brain dead, mentally strained, demotivated, and sometimes thinking it would have just been better had I been at our offices. I took a few days leave just to get my headspace right again. I spent those days just trying to unwind, de-stress. I did a hamper distribution saver, and there I was ready for this corporate world again, or so I thought. August 2020, deja vu moments, crunch time again, another round of 12 to 14 hour days, coupled with the start of the Sai Retreat kitchen saver. Now, how could I not be there, given that I was the saver convener of our center? Lead by example, they say. Again, thinking, Swami, why me? How am I going to balance all of this? Work, seva, home. How am I going to do this? Psyching myself up mentally and praying hard, I said to Swami, I will do your work, Swami, and you please take care of mine. I remember a weekend in August working until 2 a.m., sleeping for 2 hours, and then getting up to get ready for Sunday Seva at the retreat at 5 a.m. I thought to myself, gosh, I hope I don't pass out at the Seva. I managed to stay awake right through, and when we got home around 11 a.m., I still had 8 buckets to wash and put away for the next week. Whilst washing the buckets, I knew shower and bed was definitely next on my agenda, though I still had some office work to complete. I just thought a nap would give me that energy that I needed to work later. After my shower, I felt this overwhelming and unusual spurt of energy, and the sleepiness just seemed to fade. Very strange, I thought. How could I survive on so little sleep? God knows I quite enjoy my sleep. And then I found my answered prayer from earlier. I did Swami's work, and he was taking care of mine. He had given me the energy to complete my work. Monday was a good day. I was on target and my deliverables were on track. My work life in a robust, deadline-driven corporate environment has not changed over these 2 years. Sometimes I actually think it's getting worse from a balance perspective, though I am grateful for employment. My saving and divine grace through it all is the power of Seva, the energy that it gives me, and the happiness and contentment I find within myself is indescribable and unexplainable. I know that Swami is with me every step of the way, and that he is affording me these opportunities because he knows I need this. To de-stress and keep sane amidst my many crunch deliverables, I need the energy that Seva offers me each time. So, whether I'm packing vitamins, cleaning veg, packing hampers, distributing the biryani or sam, handing out juice bottles or blankets, each activity sustains me more than enough to continue in this demanding job. So, whilst my colleagues may read a book, watch a bit of television, do some art and craft to de-stress, I look forward to another Seva opportunity because that is where my energy comes from to go on. I could not get it from a better source or action. When Swami said in his New Year 2004 Divine Discourse, you must have firm faith in this truth that nothing is greater than service. God is pleased with service more than rituals and worship. I now understand why he said that, and I believe he is rewarding me with this divine energy in return. So devotees, remember my earlier question to Swami, why me? Why me? I found my answer almost 5 months later. Everything in Swami's time. He knew what I needed before I even did or could ever conceive. So when I meet the recipients during Seva, I say thank you to them, and they may wonder, why am I thanking them? Shouldn't it be the other way around, because I am the giver and they are the receiver? What's important is that I know the answer. I am thanking them for creating this opportunity to serve. I silently thank them for helping me in my spiritual transformation journey through this opportunity. And in this opportunity, I am graciously receiving the power and energy from our Divine Master and Guru, everything that he believes I need. Dear brothers and sisters, love all, serve all, and you will be blessed with endless rewards. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, Sister Keshni, for sharing that beautiful experience with us. The announcements for this week are the devotional wing. The regional morning sadhana continues every Sunday at 5 a.m. This morning, the Havan was conducted by the Woodhurst Sai Center. Vedam classes are held every Sunday morning at 9:15 a.m. The daily Vedam recital takes place at 5 a.m., 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Daily Gayatri Mantra chanting continues. We are encouraging all devotees to collectively chant the Gayatri Mantra 108 times at 8 p.m. Thank you to all the bhajan singers who had sent in their beautiful bhajans for this morning. Balvikas continues on the online format. The children are collecting bread clips and bottle caps. All devotees are to continue with planting of spekboom, vegetable and herb gardens, making of eco bricks, collecting of cans, and recycling. Jai Sai Ram.
COVID-19 has affected every one of us, but we finally have some hope. South Africa is now allowing all adults over the age of 18 to vaccinate against COVID-19, free of any cost to themselves. Our bodies are equipped with an immune system. Taking the vaccine will trigger that system to create fighter cells or antibodies. In the event of being exposed to the coronavirus, you would already have an army of cells ready to face the virus. Being fully vaccinated can protect you from severe COVID-19 illness, hospitalization, and even death. We encourage you to register on the EVDS system and find your nearest vaccination center to take your vaccine. Many centers even allow walk-ins, so you can go at your convenience. We all have the opportunity to positively impact the lives of others. Let us use this wisely. Let's all vaccinate. Jai Sai Ram.
We have learned what the world's right actions say. We must do what we know is right, every day and every night. Think of love, think of peace, think of truth in all you do. Find these values in your heart as a new day you start. If you use these values true, right is all that you can do. Happiness with all you share, and with these they'll know you care. Think of love, think of peace, think of truth in all you do. Find these values in your heart as a new day you start, as a new day you start. We have learned what the world's right actions say. We must do what we know is right, every day and every night. Think of love, think of peace, think of truth in all you do. Find these values in your heart as a new day.
If you are wealthy, be humble. Plants bend when they bear fruit.
Swami taught me to see the divine in all beings. You must be humble.
Swami said, whatever creature comes to you, man or animal, treat it with consideration.
Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram, dearest embodiments of love. I offer my loving salutations at the divine lotus feet of our precious Bhagavan. I am Shriya Muthuswami, a Group 4 second year Balvika student, and today I would like to pay homage to Lord Sai, who is my pillar of strength and the source of the many blessings in my life. I thank Swami for gracing me with his physical darshan in Prashanti Nilayam for the first time at age 2 and then age 4 before he took Samadhi. While I was too young at age 4 to perform in his physical presence, I have the precious memory of seeing him. I am grateful that he blessed me to visit Prashanti Nilayam a few more times when I could participate in various ways. My visits to his physical abode and seeing him in the flesh, young as I was, have strengthened my bond with him and brought me closer to him. I thank him for gifting me with a decent enough musical ear and voice so I can sing bhajans in praise of him publicly whenever possible. He is my pillar of strength and his teachings are a way of life for me. I start the day with prayer and he accompanies me in my heart as I go about my day. I end the day thanking him for seeing me through the trials, tribulations, and triumphs. Just blessing me with the boon of knowing him in my lifetime gives me the strength and joy to face anything knowing he is there. Thank you, dear Swami, for being my pillar of strength. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Sai, my pillar of strength. The presence and love of Swami in my life has continuously been the backbone of all my strength, motivation, success, and determination. Throughout my life, Swami has been the answer to all my questions, the light in my darkness, and my pillar of strength. Whether it be stress from school, help during exams, or a life problem that I just do not know how to deal with, Swami has always been the solution. Through praying to God and living a life according to the morals and values of Sai, I can say that Swami has helped me in every possible way. Swami and his teachings has taught me how to deal with people and situations in a righteous way, how to be kind, compassionate, humble, hardworking, and how to serve others. This has allowed me to effectively deal with my daily life problems. Swami has also been my motivation in life. Swami has always brought me back when I have been lost and kept me determined when I have lost all hope. My connection to God plays a huge role in my life, and I pray that it will only be strengthened in the future. I owe every bit of success in my life to Swami because through prayer, love, faith, and belief in God, anything can be achieved. Jai Sai Ram.
Hi Ram. My name is Yusairia Naidu and I started Balvikas at the Queensborough Sai Center. I grew up in a family where Swami is a big influence. Swami has helped me overcome many hurdles in my life over the years, and I was honored that Swami had chosen me to become a Sai Blossom. Swami over the years has put people in my path to assist me in distinguishing wrong from right. I am grateful for the gurus that he has put in my path, and I am thankful to each and every one of them. I was given an opportunity to sing to Swami on multiple occasions, for which I am extremely grateful. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Sai is my pillar of strength. Yes, he most certainly is. His omnipresence and omniscience stand out for me in a very recent experience. I recall in just over a month ago during my exam, I was totally at my wits' end with the last question. After much thought and irritation, I scribbled some nonsense down onto my paper. I then closed the paper and prayed to Bhagavan to give me the correct answer. About a minute or two later, I was able to recall the work revised in class and was able to very quickly strike off the earlier jargon and jot down the correct answer. Miraculously, everything worked out. From that experience, I learned that Swami is always there and waiting to guide and assist us in whatever way he can. Thank you, Sai. You are the ultimate divine teacher and my pillar of strength. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Sai, my pillar of strength. The last 18 months have been a challenge to each of us. In December 2019, the world woke up to a new battle, the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic, first discovered in Wuhan, China, made its way across the globe, infecting millions of people. This pandemic changed how we saw the world. The world went into a lockdown mode. Schooling went from in-person to virtual and then into hybrid. I was only 14 years at the time. This was a serious adjustment to me. There was no socializing with friends and family. This indeed was a shock to the body and the system. I want to say thank you to Swami for being with me and my family, protecting us through the pandemic on every level of life. Had it not been for your teachings, we as a family would have had no other way to follow. Thank you for your presence in our life and especially in my life. Jai Sai Ram.
Swami was interacting with a student. The student had not slept well the previous night. He had a tough time to fall asleep, and it was in the wee hours of the night that he finally fell asleep. Next day, he was sitting at Swami's lotus feet. Even before he could say something, Swami said, "Yesterday I didn't get good sleep," Swami said. So the boy was curious. He asked Swami, "Why, Swami, why you didn't sleep well yesterday?" And this is what Swami said. He said, "When you could not sleep properly, how do you think I could get sleep?" And the boy was totally taken aback by that. He said, "Why, the Lord of the universe, first of all, he never goes to sleep. He is always awake to the reality that he is. Why did he not get sleep just because I did not get sleep?" And then Swami said, "Bangaru, I see myself in you. When you are in sorrow, I feel that sorrow as mine. When you feel joyous, I feel that joy as mine." So, that is the sense of oneness that Swami demonstrated not only with one individual, but with the whole universe.
There was this student who was graduating. I think he had graduated, and Swami had given him an opportunity to become a lecturer in Swami's college. So Swami had called him for an interview along with the 3 others who were joining the college. At that point, again, Swami opened up for any questions, and this boy asked Swami this question. He said, Swami, how do I sanctify my life? You have given me this opportunity to do Swami's work, to be in Prasanthi Nilayam, to stay connected with Swami, unlike the many other students who had to leave. How do I sanctify my life? And this boy says, Swami paused for a moment. Swami looked at him and Swami said, you do not have the bhakti of Hanuman to please me. You do not have the commitment of Radha to love me. And then Swami went on giving a few examples like this, saying that you do not possess all of these great virtues of these great devotees. Then Swami said, you don't need to do any of that. Don't worry about all of that. Get up in the morning, pray to Swami before you go for work, prepare diligently, sincerely for your class, deliver your lectures, take good care of your children who are good care of the students who are entrusted to you, clear their doubts, sincerely work whatever has been given to you. At the end of the day, Swami said, mentally, in your heart, offer it to Swami and say, Swami, I offer all my efforts to you. And Swami said, that is more than enough. That is all I seek from you.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपतान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।